Down there that's going to be doing loads of different trial stunts for you, and obviously always dirt and take-off ramps. We've got the boys from Mini Bike Pro having a 4-stroke mini bike race. So without further ado, let's introduce the boys from Bulldog Links, the freestyle mini bike riders. That's Dan Whitby, and that's Aaron Powley. One of their riders has broken his bike, and here comes Steve Colley on the back wheel. Cheers for Steve. And then we've got Jamie Squibb, freestyle motocross rider, Johnny Groves, Luke Coker, Nick Cole, and Trevor Scott. So as you can see, there's a pretty rough track there that the boys have got to negotiate on the mini bikes. There's a whoop section here which is very hard to go through fast. Anyone that goes through there, well, doesn't carry enough speed, they're either going to fall off or it's going to get pretty ugly. On the far side, if you can't see that over there, there's a 30-foot long sand section. The sand's over a foot deep, so it takes loads of skills. So, let's get them under the starters' orders. Let's get the 15-second board up when they're ready. Let them get their goggles on. Okay, so the 15-second board is up, riders. And it goes to the 5-second, watch the gate. Almost a bit of carnage in the woods there. It's pretty contact racing. Through the sand section, Johnny Groves in the lead. Trevor Scott knocking through a way around Johnny Groves. Oh, from the air. Almost pulls up on him. Into the sand. Hard to pass. Oh, he's got the lead. Trevor Scott into the lead. What's Johnny Groves going to do? He squares it off. Oh! It's fast bar action from the one. So, our multinational champion leading the race. We've got a runaway at the front. Okay, on to the last lap. Oh. So Trevor Scott leads Johnny Groves over Jamie Squibb. Trevor Scott takes the first race win, followed by Johnny Groves and Jamie Squibb. Let's hear it for those guys. The winner of that race, Trevor Scott, is a national champion this year in 2 classes. He's the man to beat. Carl